am Abdullah Fatwa Warda from 12th grade Science 1. In this video, I will explain to you how to use an iron properly. Ironing can be hard activity for several persons, even though today's technology makes much simpler job of ironing. For those who still struggling in ironing your clothes, here are some steps to use an iron properly. Like any household task, your job will be easier if you prepare properly. It's not hard to know how to use an iron if you have an already handy toolkit. For any ironing task, keep the following items on hand such as iron, ironing board, spray starch, but this item is optional, and clothing hanger. And now, let's move on to how to use the iron.
First, plug your iron into a wall outlet closet to your work area and set the heat level to match the fabrics that you will be working with. Second, lay out your ironing board if available. If you do not have an ironing board, place a bed towel on a flat surface, such as a table or countertop. Third, place your clothing item to the iron board or towel. Fifth, apply the iron on the cloth surface evenly. Spray starch can be used to give a nice finish to formal and business wear. Sixth, flip the clothes and apply the iron on the other side of the clothes evenly. And the last steps, after ironing is done, hang the clothes and allow it to cool before wearing.
Maybe that's all I could say about how to use an iron properly. Thank you so much for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.